what is up? It is Kristen. Today I am doing a unboxing. I am doing Nadine West. I haven't done one of these in a while, and I've been on YouTube and watching some unboxings, some of the YouTubers that I watch, and I figured I'd give it another shot. If you guys don't know about Nadine West, click on my link below, and there is some type of referral that you can get by using my link. So if you'd like to click on it, please do so. So with Nadine West, you pay a $9.87 fee, and you get your box, and you can use that amount towards any item that you would like. So I have my return label. I'm sorry, it's $9.78. I have my return label here, which they give you, and you have to pack everything back in this bag and send it back that you do not want. So I have my return label, and I have the pricing here. So if you like these kind of videos, just keep on watching. Okay, so I have the receipt, and here is the bag. So let's pull out the bundles. There's one bundle. You can see that, sorry, the sun's kind of in the way. And then seems like there is another bundle, so I'll put the bag down here. Here it is as well, so you could see that. And okay, so let's get into the bundle. It has a little sticker here. It says Nadine West, and I'll go over prices as we go through the items so we know what's what. Okay, so let's see here. What's in this first bundle? So the first item, it looks like is, sorry, the sun is like in my eyes here, is this like red pair of stretchy pants, and they have pockets in the back, and they are pull on. So there's no zipper, just a button, but it's all sewn in, and looks like just a regular pair of pants. I'll bring it a little bit closer so you can see the material. Like I said, sorry about that sun. This is by Yeleti Legwear, and this is burgundy in a size small. So let's get that pricing. So this is $34.99. Okay, so these are $34.99. Just a regular stretchy pull-on pair of leggings. Okay, so the next item we have here are a really soft pair of black joggers. They do have a tie here and an elastic band. These feel amazingly comfortable. They are gathered at the bottom, and these are by So, and these are also a size small, and these are called 100% Yummy Jogger. Super soft, super comfy, super cozy. They are really soft. These are $22.19. So that's nice. Okay, next top here, this is also really soft, is this gray top. It looks very long and nice. I do like the pockets on there, and it does have this on the sleeves. It looks like it's 3/4 length, and it also is pretty long, so it looks like it's tunic length. I do like this because I do like to wear a lot of leggings. This is a size small as well. This is Zena Premium, the brand, and this is $35.99. I don't see a tag on here to confirm, but that looks like $35.99. That's kind of pricey, but let's get into the next bundle. Okay, it says there's jewelry in here, but I just don't see it. There it is. Okay. All right, so the next bundle, here it is. All right, the next top, this is nice. This is, again, very soft. This is just a pullover top with a hood. It is burgundy as well. Sorry, that sunlight is really annoying. And there's drawstrings here. This is the color. It's really pretty. And it has a pocket in the front. that is nice. Let's see what that one is. This is $29.49. And it looks like a pair of earrings. Oh, the sun is wicked today. In this bag. And they are just some silver hoops. Just silver hoops. And these are $11.99, which I think is kind of pricey. And they look like they're turning a little bit into a little gold, so I'm not sure about those. But I do wear a lot of hoops, as you can tell, so we will see. They're $11.99. Put that back in the bag. And next, another piece of jewelry we have is this necklace. And this isn't very much my style. I like the long of it, like how long it is, but it's an owl. I mean, it's cute, but it's just not something that I would wear. And let's see what this is. $34.99 for that necklace. That is very pricey for that. So probably definitely not gonna get that item. I'm not gonna try the jewelry on because I'm not gonna keep it. It's just not my style, unfortunately. So I'm just gonna put the earrings and the owl necklace over here. And let's get back into the items. So the next item we have here is this top. I do like the colors. This is like my favorite color, this blue. Very nice. You could definitely wear this with a pair of jeans or leggings. And yeah, this is really nice. It's super soft as well, like everything else. And this is $25.99. And then last but not least, we have here are some pants. These are a little crazy, a little bit out of my comfort zone. They are stretchy, like legging pants, and they are bell bottoms. I'm not sure if these are in right now, but I don't wear stuff like this, so we will see what it looks like on and try it. And those are $22.99. Okay, so I'm gonna get on into the try on and try these things on, and we'll come back and see my final thoughts. Okay, so first is this top. It's okay. I'm not really a big fan of the 3/4 length sleeve and the patch. This is really pretty though. I like the tunic length because I have it on with a pair of leggings, and it is pretty, but, and I do like these colors, but unfortunately it's just not worth $35.99 to me. But the quality seems there, but I don't like the 3/4 length sleeve. If it was long sleeve, I definitely would like it a lot more. But yeah, I mean, this is kind of my style, and I do like the tunic length, as you can wear it with leggings, or you can actually, if you're wearing with leggings, you can tuck it into as well if you want to wear something like this. But it is adorable. I do like the tunic length, and it is pretty. Okay, next we have is this top. It does have strings here, and it does have a pocket. It is really soft and comfortable. I thought it was a little bit longer when I pulled it out of the box. It has a hood, as you can see. It is extremely soft if you're looking for something like this. It does have more of an open neckline, and I do have a bralette on, and it does look adorable with the just black leggings that I have on. So yeah, if you're in the market for something like this, here is the material. It is very soft and cozy. You'll definitely like this. Okay, next we have is this top. It is cute, but I noticed when you button it, it just, I mean, it's cute. It's tight. It's a little tight on me. It's a nice blouse. You could wear with some jeans. You can tuck it in like this and wear it nice like that. It does have the button sleeve here where you can turn it up like this. The colors are really nice. It's just a little bit small on me, unfortunately. So yeah. Okay, next we have are the joggers. They are really comfortable. They fit really nice. This is the item that I like the most so far out of the box. They have pockets. The waistband is nice. It's stretchy and adjustable. They cuff at the bottom. So yeah, these are really nice if you're looking for a pair of joggers, and they are extremely soft. So yeah, I like these a lot. Okay, next we have the red stretch pants. They are really big in the waist, but they fit really nice. I don't know if I own a pair of red pants like this. Let me see how much these are. Bottom burgundy, $34.99. I'm not sure if I would pay $34.99 for these, as they're just a stretchy pair of pants and they are a little bit too big. I mean, they fit everywhere nicely, but in the waist they are too big and a little bit long at the bottom. So I'm not sure if I would get really any use out of these at all. Okay guys, so I'm gonna bring it down. Next I have is the bell-bottom pants. Yeah, these are a definite no. These are definitely not my style at all. I don't like the pattern. I don't like how they get tight and then flare out. It's just not me. And definitely gonna be sending these back. So what I'm gonna do is look at everything, come back, and I'll give you my final thoughts. Okay guys, so I'm back. It doesn't give you a total on here of the items, but I'm gonna let you guys know what I'm gonna be sending back and what I'm gonna keep, because there's $9.78. It goes towards an item that you purchase. So I want to purchase something and not like lose my money. So the L necklace I didn't even try on because it was $35. Just not interested. It's not my style at all. So I will be sending that back. The earrings that were $11.99, I really don't need these. I have a bunch of hoops, and I can probably get these a lot cheaper than $11.99. So I'm gonna send these back as well. The bell-bottom pants, these are a no-go, not my style at all. So I'm gonna be sending those back. These burgundy pants, they just did not fit me. They were too big, and I don't think I would wear them. So I'm going to be sending these back. The blue top, it was just too small. And I thought the pattern was really nice, but I'm just going to be sending these back. I wouldn't gravitate towards it. This top, I did like this burgundy top with the hood. I did like it, but unfortunately I'm going to be sending it back. It's just too short. So yeah. And then last but not least, well, second to last but not least, I'm going to be sending this one back as well. I didn't like the 3/4 length sleeve and it just sat on me weird. So I'm going to pass on this. The item that I'm going to keep is the joggers. They were super soft. I would definitely get some use out of them around my house and like going out. So I will be keeping these. So I guess I have to pay like 10 or 11 bucks for them because I already paid the $9.78. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please let me know if you want to do another one of these bags. I don't know if I'm going to, or if there's any other clothing unboxings that you want to see or any other videos that you want to see. Please let me know. I'm open to it. And thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.